Exercise 2C, question number 7, 8, 9. These three questions are same. I am explaining you here question number 8. And the question number 8 is the sum of two rational numbers is minus 7 by 12. So it is given in question the sum of two rational numbers. So let A and B are our two rational numbers. Now as per question, the sum of two rational numbers. So the rational numbers are A and B and the sum is given. So A plus B. The sum of two rational numbers A plus B is given minus 7 by 12. If one of them is 13 by 24, find the other. One of them, that means A और B में से कोई भी एक दिया हुआ है. You can take this 13 by 24 as A or as B, whatever you want. इस 13 by 24 को आप A भी ले सकते हैं या नहीं तो फिर B भी ले सकते हैं. कोई भी एक आपको लेना है. तो मान लेते हैं let this 13 by 24 is A. So 13 by 24 and B is other one which we have to find. Now we have to find B. Okay, so for that we should transpose this 13 by 24 to the right hand side. Now we are transposing this 13 by 24 towards right hand side to minus 7 by 12. So first we have to write minus 7 by 12. Now this 13 by 24 is a positive rational number. So on transposing it will be a negative rational number. Okay. Now the process is same. 12 and 24 different denominators. So find LCM starting from 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 12 are 24, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 not divisible, 2 3 are, then 3 1 are 1 are. So 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. So the LCM is 24. LCM is 24. Now you know very well that 24 is a multiple of 12. So B equals to what? Minus 7 into 2. Why into 2? Because 12 2s are 24. Okay. Minus 13 into 24 is a multiple of itself. 24 1s are 24. So we will multiply minus 13 from 1 whole upon 24. Now minus 7 into 2 will give you minus 14 and minus 13 into 1 minus 13 upon 24. So from there minus minus plus, but negative sign we have to write. So minus 27 upon minus 24 is another number. Now 27 24 both are divisible from 3. So you can reduce further if you want. So B equals to 3 9 ja and 3 8 ja. Minus 9 by 8 is other number. So this is your required answer. So in this pattern, in this way you have to solve question number 7 and question number 9. Actually question number 10, question number 11 both are same, just like this. So question number 11 now I am solving. In question number 11 what should be added? What should be added to minus 3 by 20 to get 2 9 by 20? What should be added? Means हम minus 3 by 20 में क्या ऐड करें कि हमको 2 9 by 20 मिले. रिमेंबर जब भी ये 2 गेट आता है इज आता है तो उसको हमेशा इक्वल्स टू के साइड में लिखते हैं. सो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड? लेट A is added. Let A is added to minus 3 by 20. So it will be like A plus minus 3 by 20 equals to 2 9 by 20. Now A, remove this bracket, so plus minus absolutely minus, so minus 3 by 20 equals to, solve this mixed fraction, 2 into 20 40, 40 plus 9 49, 49 by 20. Now we have to find A, so for that we have to transpose this minus 3 by 20 to right hand side. So here we are having negative sign. On transposing to right hand side, it will be converted into positive value. So A equals to, first we have to write 49 by 20 plus 3 by 20. As you can see, the denominators are same. So no need of finding LCM, directly 20 you can write. 49 plus 3. So from there 49 plus 3, you know well, 52 by 20. Further you can reduce this by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 1 this side, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 0 ja, then 2 13 ja 26, 2 5 ja 10. So 13 by 5 is required answer. If you want to convert this in mixed fraction, you can. 5 2 ja 10, remaining 3. So this is your quotient, this is your remainder, and this is your divisor. So Q R by D, so 2 3 by 5. This is the required answer for A. Now question number 10 11 you can solve, 10 you can solve, 11 I explained it. Okay, then question number 12 and question number 15 both are same. The remaining question 13 14 you can solve easy. Okay, so I'm solving here question number 12. Question number 12 is, what should be subtracted from minus 4 by 5 to get 1? From minus 4 by 5, that means minus 4 by 5 में से क्या ऐसा सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमको 1 मिले. सो माइनस 4 by 5 में ऐसा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें? लेट वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग x here. So first we have to write minus 4 by 5, then minus x, because it is given what should be subtracted from minus 4 by 5. From, that means उसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें? तो लेट सपोज x we are subtracting, so minus 4 by 5 minus x. To get means equals to 1. This one can be written as 1 by 1. Now we have to find x. Okay, so minus 4 by 5, transpose this minus x to right hand side. So 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, now we have to calculate x here. So for that, transpose this 1 by 1 to the left hand side. So minus 4 by 5 minus 1 upon 1 equals to x. Now you can interchange, no problem. There is a no negative sign or positive sign. LHS और RHS ऐसे interchange कर सकते हैं. LCM is 5. Okay, LCM is 5. So x equals to what? 5 is a multiple of itself. So minus 4 into 1 minus 1 5 ja 5. So 1 into 5, then whole upon 5. Okay. Now minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 1 into 5 minus 5 upon 5, minus minus plus. So along with negative sign, minus 9 by 5 is required answer. Okay, so exercise 2C is completed here, and now I am giving you some questions, and you are supposed to post only answers in comment box of this video. So there will be a time for commenting, for uploading comments. Okay, so before 10:45 AM you are supposed to post your comments, and the questions are, so only these 3 questions I am giving you for this exercise. Okay, just solve this these questions in your copy and comment your answers. Thank you.